You may have noticed your LinkedIn reach has dropped lately. Fewer views, fewer reactions, maybe even fewer comments. But here's the thing, it's not you, it's LinkedIn. Over the past few months, LinkedIn has quietly introduced a new AI model called 360 Brew, and it's completely changed how visibility works on the platform. I'm going to explain over the next couple of minutes exactly what's going on, what it means for professionals and business leaders, and how you can make this new system work for you. What is 360 Brew? 360 Brew is LinkedIn's new AI brain. Instead of counting clicks, likes, or dwell time, it actually reads your content. Yes, reads it to understand meaning, clarity, and expertise. Think of it as the platform finally learning to think like a professional audience. It asks, is this valuable? Is it relevant? Does it demonstrate knowledge? If the answer is yes, it rewards you with visibility. If the answer is no, well, those posts that once did well because they were long, controversial, or keyword heavy just don't cut it anymore. For years, people tried to hack the algorithm, post at 9 a.m., use 3 hashtags, keep people reading for longer, all to please the dwell time gods. But LinkedIn's AI has moved beyond that. It now cross-references your profile, content, and engagement patterns to form a clear picture of who you are and what you stand for. That means if you've been posting on everything from leadership to cat memes to copywriting tips, the system sees you as unclear. But if you consistently post in your area of expertise, say career coaching, AI strategy, or B2B marketing, it knows who to show your content to. So, how can we adapt? What can we do to stay visible? Well, number one is be clear, not clever. Say what you mean in plain language. Number two, front load your value. The first sentence now matters more than ever. It tells both the humans and the AI reader what to expect. Number three, keep your profile aligned with your content. LinkedIn's AI reads them together, and if they tell different stories, your visibility suffers. And finally, engage with intention. Every like, comment, and share trains LinkedIn on who you are and what you value. Be thoughtful about where you spend your attention. One of the biggest insights from the C360 Brew report is something few people are talking about: frequency throttling. LinkedIn now limits how many times your posts appear in someone's feed during a single session. So posting constantly no longer guarantees reach, if it ever did. Instead, the future belongs to micro communities, smaller, highly engaged groups that consistently interact. When people you trust comment on your content, their networks see it. That's how you grow visibility now, through depth, not volume. So don't chase followers, build relationships, start real conversations. What this means for business leaders is this is actually an opportunity. Visibility on LinkedIn is no longer about broadcasting, it's about conversations. Those who share real expertise, invite dialogue, and comment intelligently on others' work are being recognized as credible voices. It's not about gaming the system, it's about contributing to it. The AI has simply learned to reward the same things we humans do: value, consistency, and authenticity. So where does this leave us? 360 Brew signals the end of the algorithm era and the start of intelligent visibility. LinkedIn's AI is no longer a wall between you and your audience. It's a bridge if you learn how to use it. If your content helps others think, learn, or grow, you're already ahead. If it's performative, generic, or shallow, it's time to evolve. Because the future of LinkedIn isn't about being loud, it's about being understood. And that's a future I'm very much here for.